Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Aubrey Organics, Island Naturals Conditioner, Tropical Repair, Dry Replenish, 11 fluid ounces, 325 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Avocado oil and mango butter intense moisture NSF, contains organic ingredients true to nature since 1967 contains 70% organic ingredients Paraben-Free GMO-Free Phthalate-Free Cruelty-Free Vegan Gluten-Free Contents Biodegradable Certified to NSF/ANSI 305 by Kai. Replenishing Conditioner and Detangler smooths hair fiber to control frizz and leave hair silky and manageable. Great for relaxed and natural styles. Luscious Mango Coconut Scent. Features Benefits. Mango and Organic Shea Butters rich in vitamins and nutrients, seal in moisture. Organic Avocado Oil High in Vitamin E, deep conditions and nourishes. Suggested use. Shake well before using. After shampooing, apply to damp hair and work through, concentrating on the ends. Leave on for 1 or 2 minutes. Rinse. Other ingredients. Aloe barbadensis leaf juice, aqua, cetyl alcohol, from coconut, brassicillizoleucinate acylate, cocos nucifera, coconut, fruit extract, glycerin, alcohol denat. 38B, lavender, brassica alcohol, glyceryl caprolate, versigratissima, avocado, oil, butyrospermum parkii, shea, butter, mangifera indica, mango, seed butter, caprylic, capric triglyceride, arginine, citrus grandis, grapefruit, extract, chenopodium quinoa seed extract, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, tocopherol, vitamin E, rosmarinus officinalis, sage, oil, alcohol, calendula officinalis extract, chamomilla recutita, matricaria, flower extract, chamomile, Melissa officinalis flower/leaf/stem extract, balm mint, humulus lupulus, hops, flower extract, equisetum mall extract, horsetail, fragrance Comophoneculum vulgar, phenol, seed extract, glucolactone, Tussilago farfara, colt's foot, leaf extract, sodium benzoate. Organic. Natural isolate blend sourced from essential oils. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.